Joseph needs 6.5 cups of cooked rice for a recipe of Nasi Goreng. If 2 cups of uncooked rice with 2.5 cups of water make 4 1/3 cups of cooked rice, how many cups of uncooked rice does Joseph need for his recipe? How much water should he add? So if I write it down as in a column, so we have uncooked rice, and then I have water, and that gives you cooked rice. So we start with the 2 cups. If you have 2 cups and then 2.5, you convert it into an improper fraction. 2 times 2, 4, and 1, 5 out of 2 water. And cooked rice, 4 1/3. So 4 1/3 is 3 times 4, 12, and 1, 13 out of 3. Now we have 13 out of 3 parts, 13 out of 3 of cooked rice, and what Joseph needs is 6.5. So 6.5 is 12 and 1, 13 out of 2. So if we can find a way of making this 13 out of 3, 13 out of 2, we have to convert this. So the numerator is the same, the denominator is 2. So probably the easiest way of doing it is to multiply by 2/3. So if you multiply 13 out of 3 multiplied by, 3, not 2/3, sorry, 3 out of 2, by 3 out of 2, then what you would get is um, 13 out of 2. So you've got the exact cups of cooked rice that he needs. Now what we have to do to the other ones is we multiply them as well with 3 out of 2. So they become 5 out of 2 multiplied by 3 out of 2, and 2 multiplied by 3 out of 2. Now that would give you 3 cups of uncooked rice, and that would give you 5 times 3, 15 out of 4. That is 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 3, 3/4 cups, 3 and 3/4 cups, and that would give you 13 out of 2, which is equal to 6.5 cups of cooked rice. So that's our answer then. So the answer is, how many cups of uncooked rice does he need? So he needs 3 cups of uncooked rice. How much water should he add? He should add 3 and 3/4 cups of water. That's the answer.